Hello again, welcome to Uncle Geoff's Easy Peasy English, and today, articles and nouns. First of all, look at this sentence and two possible answers. Where are you going to put all your furniture or furnitures? The answer is furniture. Why? Because furniture is an uncountable noun. We don't say one furnitures, two furnitures, three furnitures. We say furniture. Where are you going to put all your furniture? It's the same with information. That's uncountable as well. Have a look at sentence number 2. On our first day in Moscow, we visited Kremlin, a Kremlin, the Kremlin. Which is the right answer? It's the Kremlin. The names of special buildings need the definite article, the. So, on our first day in Moscow, we visited the Kremlin. Sandra she works at a large hospital. Is it nurse, the nurse, a nurse? Sandra is a nurse. Indefinite article. It's the first time we mention Sandra. We don't know her job. It's the first time we use the indefinite article a. Sandra is a nurse. She works at a large hospital. Next one. It took us quite a long time to get here. It was journey. Three possible answers. Which is correct? It was a 3-hour journey. Why? Because it's an adjective describing the noun, the journey. So we don't say a 3 hours journey. We say a 3-hour, singular form, hyphen in the middle, a 3-hour journey. So there we are. English grammar, articles and nouns. Most of the time, they're easy peasy. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time on Uncle Geoff's Easy Peasy-ish English. Bye-bye for now.